Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Memorism multifunctional grooming kit. This is the Blizz GS5 kit. They have two kits, one in black, that's this one, and then they have a multicolored one as well. So those are both available. You can get this on Amazon right now. This is the main part right here, and why I like this a lot is it charges with the base unit, also charges with USB-C, and shows you some details right here about what it's doing and the charge level as well. Now this is a bar type shaver and it has replaceable heads. This head right here can come off like this, and then you can replace this, you can take this off, and then you can attach different head pieces. So they give you this one, they give you this one for trimming as well. And then here's additional trimming for both sides right there. And the nose trimmer right there. And this all just fits right on top. And then below this, they have additional pieces like the main holder for everything. This will charge it and hold all of your accessories as well. And then this back part has the charger, and then this is where all the charging hardware comes out of the box right here. So you can plug it in here, charge it up, and then use this when you need it. And it's just simple enough to put this top piece back on, clips into place, and it's ready to go. And this is all from Memorism. Going further inside of the Memorism multi-functional grooming kit, Blizz GS5, you have the head unit right here, and this piece simply goes on like that, or you can pop it right off. And then if you want to use any one of these guards, it comes with quite a few of them. You can pop this head on like that, and then you can take one of these guards and pop it right on to this side right here, there, and now you can do a specific shave with this guard, or pop it off and use any one of these other guards. There's plenty of them in here, and it comes with a travel bag right here, and of course the main charger. So this plugs into either this directly on the bottom or into the charging dock right here, and you can set it in just like that for charging. So here it is, the Memorism multifunctional grooming kit, Blizz GS5, with all of the various guards and the attachment pieces right here. They give you all the attachments really that you need, and it's called the GS5 kit. You get these in two different colors right now on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.